How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a productive remote day of learning. Just wanted to kind of preview today's activity for you. It's going to be a Desmos activity. You can get to it by following the link right at the start of the Desmos activity here in Notes 3.2a. So if you follow that link, it's going to take you to Desmo. You really have to be careful in this activity to follow it step by step. So I want you to read each step in detail, and I want you to kind of follow that. If you do that, it's going to take you through the activity and help you find some relationships between those angle pairs that we defined the other day. Your alternate interiors, your correspondings, alternate exteriors, all of those we're going to find relationships on how they're interconnected, whether they're congruent, whether they're supplementary, or maybe some other relationship between them. But it's really important that you follow step by step through this process and then come up with some conjectures when you get to these questions here on 1 through 5. And then there's a couple little problems where you apply some of your knowledge. But again, very important when you go to Desmos that you follow these directions step by step. Easy solution is to split screen, so you can see both your Desmos screen and the notes in here. That'll give you an opportunity to kind of work through step by step. Other option would be working on a phone for the notes page and then Desmos on your computer just so you have a full screen. I'm confident you guys can do this. You're going to come up with some great connections. When you're done with that, I'd like you to go ahead and attempt the 3.2a homework here. There's only a handful of problems. It is just odds on that. And down here at the very bottom is an answer key so you can check yourself if needed. Bring your questions to class the next day because we're going to spend another day on 3.2, continuing some of those principles and improving a few things. So look forward to seeing you in person. Have a great remote day. Talk to you soon.